Hello, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Melania Trump is a Slovenian born American former model and the wife of the 46th President of the United States. She was born on April 26, 1970, in Novo Mesto. She grew up in communist household with her parents. Melania's interest in fashion began at a young age, and she started modeling at 16. She moved to Milan and Paris to pursue her modeling career, eventually meeting who sponsored her immigration to the United States in 1996. Melania settled in Manhattan and continued modeling and meeting Donald Trump in 1998. Melania and Donald started dating and their relationship media attention. They got married on January 22, 2005 at the Bethesda by the Sea Church in Palm Beach, Florida. Melania became a stepmother of Donald's 4 children from his previous marriage. On March 20, 2006, Melania gave birth to their son Bern. She became a naturalized US citizen on July 28, 2006. Melania has been open about her experiences as immigrant and her support for her husband's presidential campaign. As the First Lady, Melania focused on children's issues, launching the Be Best campaign to promote children's welfare. She also visited any children's hospitals and supports her husband's policies. However, her tenure was not without controversy, including allegations of polygrams and criticisms for her handling of certain issues. After leaving the White House, Melania has maintained a relatively low public profile. However, she has continued to support her husband's endeavors and has been involved in various charitable activities. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Melania began modeling career at the age of 16, and by 18 she had moved to Milan to pursue a career in fashion. She worked with top designer and appeared on the covers of numerous fashion magazines. In 1996, Melania moved to the United States to pursue her modeling career. She settled in Manhattan and began working with top modeling agencies. Melania met Donald Trump in 1998 at a party in Manhattan. At the time, Trump was settled married to his second wife, Marla Maples. Melania and Donald began dating and their relationship gained media attention. They got married on January 22, 2005 at the Bethesda by the Sea Church in Palm Beach, Florida. Melania became a stepmother to Donald's 4 children from his previous marriage, Donald Jr., Ivanka, Eric, and Tiffany. On March 20, 2006, Melania gave birth to their son born William Trump. Melania became a naturalized US citizen on July 28, 2006. As the First Lady, Melania focused on children's issues, launching the Be Best campaign to promote children's welfare. The Be Best initiatives aim to support children's physical and mental health, as well as their social and emotional well-being. Melania visited many children's hospitals during her tenure as the First Lady, including the Children's National Health System in the Washington, D.C. Melania also supported military families, visiting base and meeting with several members and their families. Melania faced several controversies and criticisms during her tenure as the First Lady, including allegations of plagiarism and criticism for her handling of certain issues. In 2016, Melania faced allegations of plagiarism after a speech he gave at the Republic Nations convention bore similarities and speech given by Michael Obama in 2008. Melania faced criticisms for her immigration policies, particularly her husband's zero tolerance policy, which led to the separation of migrant families at the US Mexico border. Melania's fashion choices were often scrutinized by the media and the public, with some praising her style and others criticizing her for wearing expensive designer clothing. After leaving the White House, Melania has maintained a relatively low public profile. However, she has continued to support her husband's endeavors and has been involved in various charitable activities. Melania has been involved in various charitable activities, including supporting children's hospitals and advocating for children's welfare. Melania has made several public appearances since leaving the White House, including attending a charity gala in Palm Beach, Florida. Melania's future plans are unclear, but it is likely that she will continue to be involved in charitable activities and support her husband and various. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in comment box what would you like to see next. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Melania Trump's personal style has been widely praised to her its elegance and sophistication. She has been named one of the best dressed women in the world by various fashion publications. As the First Lady, Melania used her platform to promote American designers and fashion. She was a fashion influence, with many of her outfits selling out quickly after she wore them. However, Melania's fashion choices were not without controversies. She faced criticism for wearing expensive designers' clothing, particularly during time of economic uncertainty. One of the most notable controversies surrounding Melania's fashion choices was when she wore a jacket with the phrase "I really don't care, do you?" printed on the back during a visit to the detention center for immigrant children. Melania responds to criticism over her fashion choices, stating that she wore what made her feel confident and comfortable. Melania has been a vocal supporter of women's empowerment, using her platform to promote women's rights and equality. In 2018, Melania embarked on a solo trip to Africa, visiting Ghana, Malawi, Kenya, and Egypt. During her trip, she focused on promoting children's welfare and education. Melania met with several African First Ladies during her trip, including Ghana's Republica and Kenya's Margaret Keenan. In 2017, Melania visited the Vatican with her husband, meeting the Pope Francis and touring the Sistine Chapel. Melania has been a vocal supporter of the arts, using her platform to promote arts education and during her time as a First Lady, Melania oversaw the restoration of the White House, including the renovation of the Rose Garden. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, Melania's office as a First Lady was located in the East Wing of the White House, where she worked with her staff to promote her initiatives and support her husband's policies. Melania's relationship with her stepdaughter Ivanka Trump was widely reported on, with some speculating about tensions between the two women. Melania has been a vocal supporter of military families, using her platform to promote their welfare and provide support. In 2018, Melania visited the US-Mexico border, meeting with border patrol agents and touring a detention center of migrant children. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please tell me in comment box, and I will see you in the next video.